Imagine waking up to the sight of whitewashed houses, the smell of the sea, and the sound of a vibrant nightlife. Welcome to Mykonos, the crown jewel of the Aegean. Mykonos, a name that instantly evokes images of sun-drenched beaches and azure blue waters, has long been considered a top holiday destination. Nestled in the heart of the Aegean Sea, this Greek island is a unique blend of ancient history and modern luxury, a place where tradition meets innovation in the most delightful way. But what is it that gives Mykonos its unique allure, its irresistible charm? Is it the stunning beauty of its landscapes, the vibrant nightlife, or its rich history? Perhaps it's a bit of everything and more. Allow us to take you on a journey. Picture this: endless stretches of golden sand caressed by crystal clear waters. These are the beaches of Mykonos, each one more beautiful than the last. Whether you're a sun worshipper, a water sports enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys a good book by the sea, there's a beach here with your name on it. And then there are the windmills. Standing proudly against the sky, these iconic structures are a testament to the island's past, a time when wind power was used to grind grain. Today, they are one of the most photographed landmarks in Mykonos, a symbol of its enduring charm. But Mykonos is not just about its beaches and windmills. Venture into the old town, and you'll find a maze of narrow, winding streets lined with whitewashed houses and blue-domed churches. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where you can lose yourself in the simple pleasures of life. And let's not forget the nightlife. As the sun sets, Mykonos comes alive with a vibrancy that's hard to match. From trendy bars to world-class restaurants and pulsating nightclubs, there's something for everyone in this island that never sleeps. So what are you waiting for? Mykonos, the island that never sleeps, is waiting for you to discover its secrets. As you step off the plane and feel the cool sea breeze, your adventure in Mykonos begins. Imagine the sensation of the wind, a gentle whisper of the Aegean Sea, carrying the scent of salt and the promise of an unforgettable journey. As the landscape unfolds before your eyes, the dazzling white buildings kissed by the sun and the charming windmills standing proud on the horizon, you can't help but get lost in the enchanting beauty of Mykonos. The locals, with their warm smiles and welcoming hearts, are the soul of this island. They greet you with open arms, their hospitality as inviting as the clear blue skies above. Their laughter, a familiar tune, echoes through the narrow cobblestone streets, making you feel at home in this foreign land. The journey from the airport to the heart of the city is a delight in itself. The island's transportation system is a well-oiled machine, designed to make your journey as smooth as the calm sea waters. Whether you choose to take a taxi, a local bus, or rent a scooter, the ease and convenience of getting around is sure to impress. As you travel through the winding roads, the beauty of Mykonos unfolds like a panoramic painting. You pass by quaint villages, each house adorned with vibrant bougainvillea, their colors a stark contrast to the whitewashed walls. The sight of the endless sea, the waves gently caressing the sandy shores, is a sight to behold. The air is filled with the sound of seagulls and the distant toll of church bells, a symphony that perfectly captures the spirit of Mykonos. As you finally reach the city center, the excitement is palpable. The city, with its lively streets and bustling markets, is a melting pot of cultures, a testament to the island's rich history and diverse heritage. The aroma of local cuisine wafts through the air, a tantalizing teaser of the culinary delights that await. And just like that, you're ready to dive into the heart of Mykonos. From ancient landmarks to stunning beaches, Mykonos has something for everyone. First off, we can't talk about Mykonos without mentioning the iconic windmills. These age-old structures, standing tall against the azure sky, are a testament to the island's rich history. Once used for grinding grain, today they serve as a captivating sight for all who visit. Make sure to capture a photo of these windmills, especially at sunset, when their silhouettes create a mesmerizing view against the vibrant hues of the setting sun. Next, we venture into the heart of Mykonos, the charming old town. Its narrow, winding streets are like a labyrinth, each turn unveiling a new delight. Whitewashed houses with colorful doors and balconies, quaint shops selling unique art and crafts, and cozy tavernas serving delicious Greek cuisine. This is the essence of the old town. Every street, every stone, tells a tale of Mykonos' vibrant past and present. Just a stone's throw away from the old town, you'll find Little Venice, one of the most romantic spots on the island. Its colorful houses, built right on the water's edge, remind us of the Venetian influence on Mykonos. Enjoy a leisurely stroll along the waterfront, or settle down at a seaside cafe for a refreshing drink as you watch the sun dip below the horizon. Now, let's take a short boat ride from Mykonos to the archaeological site of Delos. Regarded as one of the most important mythological and archaeological sites in Greece, Delos was believed to be the birthplace of the twin gods Apollo and Artemis. Today, it stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, its ruins whispering tales of ancient civilizations. And of course, we can't forget the stunning beaches of Mykonos. From the lively Paradise Beach to the tranquil Agios Ioannis, each beach offers its own unique charm. Spend your day soaking up the sun, diving into the crystal clear waters, or simply enjoying the rhythm of the waves. And when the sun sets, Mykonos transforms into a vibrant playground. With a pulsating nightlife that rivals any in the world, you're guaranteed to dance the night away. Each corner of Mykonos offers a new surprise, a new story to tell. In Mykonos, every meal is a celebration of life. Here, the local cuisine is a tantalizing medley of flavors that dance on the palate, leaving you longing for more. The island's culinary scene is a testament to its rich history and vibrant culture, offering something special for everyone. Mainstays of the Mykonos diet include fresh seafood, caught daily from the azure waters of the Aegean Sea. Grilled octopus, succulent shrimp, and tender calamari are just a few of the maritime delights that await you. Each seafood dish is prepared with the utmost care and served with a drizzle of lemon and olive oil, embodying the essence of the Mediterranean. The island is also renowned for its local cheeses, each with its unique taste and texture. From the soft and creamy kopanisti, known for its tangy flavor, to the hearty and robust tyrovolia, a staple in many traditional dishes, these cheeses are a delight on their own or as part of a dish. And let's not forget the traditional dishes that have been passed down through generations. 𝐇𝐎𝐿, a spicy cheese dip served with warm bread, is a local favorite. Another must-try is moussaka, a layered dish of eggplant, minced meat, and bechamel sauce that is as comforting as it is delicious. Now, where to eat? Mykonos boasts a plethora of restaurants and cafes that showcase the best of the island's cuisine. For a unique dining experience, visit a taverna. These traditional Greek restaurants offer an authentic taste of Mykonos. Meanwhile, the stylish beachfront cafes serve up a fusion of local and international dishes, all while you soak in the breathtaking views of the sea. Whether you're a foodie in search of culinary adventures or simply someone who appreciates a good meal, the local cuisine of Mykonos will not disappoint. Each dish tells a story of the island's history and tradition, all while offering a feast for the senses. The flavors of Mykonos are as diverse and vibrant as the island itself. As the sun sets on your journey, the memories of Mykonos will stay with you forever. The enchanting island of Mykonos, with its shimmering turquoise waters and golden sands, has painted a picture-perfect backdrop to our unforgettable adventure. A place where the sun kisses the sea and the wind whispers tales of ancient mythology. The beauty of Mykonos is not just skin-deep, it's etched into every stone and reflected in the warm smiles of the locals. Our journey began with the anticipation of what lay ahead, the thrill of the unknown. A sense of adventure was in the air as we set sail for this island gem. The journey was as much a part of the experience as the destination itself, with each moment adding a new layer to the tapestry of our Mykonos story. The attractions of Mykonos are as diverse as they are mesmerizing. From the iconic windmills standing sentinel on the hillside to the labyrinthine streets of Mykonos town, each turn brought a new discovery. The island's rich history was evident in its architecture, from the ancient ruins to the quaint whitewashed houses that seemed to glow under the Mediterranean sun. The flavor of Mykonos, both literally and figuratively, added a unique dimension to our journey. The local cuisine, a delightful fusion of traditional Greek flavors and modern culinary artistry, was an adventure for the palate. The warm hospitality of the locals, their eagerness to share their culture and their island, added to the richness of the experience. Traveling to Mykonos was not just about visiting a beautiful island, it was about immersing ourselves in a different way of life, of slowing down and savoring each moment. It was about creating memories that will linger long after the tan fades, memories that are as vibrant as the bougainvillea that adorns the island's streets. Mykonos is more than just a destination, it's a feeling, an experience that will leave you longing for more.